What's up, guys? It's me, Sarah Bio. Trying to make sure my eyebrows are matching because I just recorded this whole video, basically done, and then I realized one eyebrow looked like really round and the other one was kind of just like chilling in the cut. If you would like to know how I got this wig, the origins of this wig, the backstory of this wig, then please stay tuned. So let's get into the specs of this wig. I got this wig from Amazon Prime, of course. It took 2 days. I ordered it on Wednesday, got it by Friday. It was Rishang hair, I believe it's Rishang hair, 13x6 lace hair wigs for black women. And I did type in natural looking wigs for black women because I know on Amazon, for some reason, that's how these companies brand their hair, that's how they sell their hair. They'll say it's specifically for black women. So I wanted a curly wig that was shoulder length for black women, and this is what popped up. And I saw that price and I said, yes, I have to have it. $73.90. I paid $73.90 for this unit. What? It's unheard of. $73.90. Unfortunately, when I went back to find the wig, what popped up instead was Venice hair 13x6 lace front human hair wigs for black women, virgin curly human hair. No more Rishang. I've had this wig for, this week will make 2 weeks. And I got to looking around on Amazon so I could do this review. I couldn't find Rishang. I found Venice. And then on top of that, get this. 5 different wig prices, same company, same wig. $82.40, $120, $96, $65.50, and then $73.90. I got $73.90. And on top of that, $73.90, you know what, when it kind of gives you like the suggested, that's what popped up. The 4 first prices were there, and it says your search has inspired these looks, and there were different wigs, same wig, same company, but the inspired one was the price that I actually paid, and I'm just scratching my head like, what? So there are 2 combs here, not in the front. They are it's kind of like not a U part, but it is 13x6. They're towards the back. 2 combs here, 1 in the crown, 1 in the back, so there are 4 combs total, adjustable straps, and it is a 12-inch. It claims it's 12-inch human hair wig. Doesn't say if it's Indian, Peruvian, Tahitian, Malaysian, whatever it is. It doesn't say that. It just says human hair wig. You really don't have to put product on it, but if you really want primarily towards the scalp to lay down, you kind of have to put some mousse or some curly pudding. I put ORS curling pudding on it, and it really makes the curls stand up and stand out. It's kind of sticky, but yeah, you really could just spray the wig and go. But towards the right here in the front, this little section right here, it gets really dry really quickly. I don't know why. On its own, it's legit just this section. So I have to put some product at least on the ends because they dry out and it just looks ashy. Pretty much, it looks ashy. Underneath, the curls are a lot more uniform. It really mimics real hair, I'm not gonna lie to you. For instance, underneath, like I said, the curls are pretty uniform. They're kind of just unbothered, they're chilling, but on the top, except this little section right here, on the top it's a lot more like messier. But this is what I did to my unit. I did not bleach the knots. I just didn't feel like it. It's not that I can't, because I did that for my straight black unit, which with this wig, the ear tabs weren't, I know a lot of YouTubers will get their wigs and their units, and they fit it to their head, and they have to cut on the sides. I cut this side. I don't know why when I cut the side it looked like a freaking buzz cut. I think that's what this is right here. I don't know, I guess I cut it wrong, and instead of it just cutting where I cut, it also took some hair with it. So I don't know if I can do this on that side. I didn't try. I tend to wear my hair, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying not to lift it because my hair is still wet. I guess I can. Yeah, I still can, thank God. It might look a little weird though, kind of sparse, because it took, I don't know how, but I didn't cut it properly, and it kind of took some hair with it. The only con with this wig, unfortunately, is it sheds like no tomorrow. And it's not even because we know when you cut the lace, you cut the lace, there's a bit of shedding because you cut the lace. No, I didn't cut lace back here. I didn't cut lace back here, and the thing sheds like crazy. Other than that, I really do enjoy this wig. I really do like this wig. I would definitely buy it again. I would recommend buying it. It's just a lot of fun. I like this wig a lot. Especially in the summertime. Like, it looks so realistic even without bleaching the knots. Obviously bleaching the knots makes it look a little bit better, but I don't think I have to, so I'm not going to. Also, and if I really want to cover up knots, I can just put some makeup on it, but nobody, even when people are looking in my head, they're just like, I'm like, yeah, it's a wig. I will say that you can wear this wig in a ponytail. You can wear it in a bun. I was able to slick it down, no problem. And I was so shocked because it's my first wig. So there's just certain things I'm just not prepared to be able to do. But the fact that I was able to put this wig in a ponytail, I was like, whoa, I gotta keep this wig. I gotta hold on to this wig, make it last. So you guys, that's legit all I have to say. It's a pretty short review, straightforward review. Other than knots not being bleached and it's pre-plucked, I don't believe there were like little wispy baby hairs, but not like the hairs that we in this generation like to. We like our baby hairs to look like teenage hairs, so it didn't have like that ready and for you to go. All of the people that you like to watch have done it at least once, so I'll save you the time. I will say get the wig. It was super cheap. Remember, for now it is Venice hair. It went from Rishang to Venice hair, and I hope that if you get the wig, that the one con that is the shedding, that you don't have that experience, because it is a little disheartening. However, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I would still get the wig. I would definitely get this wig again. I probably just won't be able to find it again because they're changing names. So that's the only thing about it. But if you like the review, you like the wig, you like the hair, please make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I love and appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for being here for me. And if you guys have any recommendations as to what we can call the family over here in Sarah Vio's world, give me some suggestions, give me some names, some titles, some commentary. Let's talk about it. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.